পয়লা নভেম্বর থেকে দার্জিলিংয়ে থাকছেন জগদীপ ধনখড় এবং তার আগে দিল্লিতে স্বরাষ্ট্রমন্ত্রীর সঙ্গে তিনি বৈঠক করেন। বৈঠক শেষে এই মুহূর্তে সাংবাদিকদের মুখোমুখি হয়েছেন তিনি।
When she took physical defense of Kolkata Corp, then Police Commissioner Rajiv, physically, this time through a letter. And what happens? Manish Shukla, no more. How can constitutional head have sound sleep? I am not supposed to fiddle in Raj Bhavan while the state is sliding into lawlessness, virtual anarchy, political violence, political vendetta on the increase, and power corridors are being infested by non-state actors, consultants, bureaucracies in supine mode. This is surely not democracy according to Constitution. I have written on these issues to the Honorable Chief Minister. I have indicated to her in my last communication. We are at a penultimate stage of constitutional collapse. Time for us to salvage the situation. It is my duty to see I have a workable mechanism. I don't believe in criticism. I believe in reformation, constructive developments, and that can happen only through dialogue. And that, unfortunately, in the state of West Bengal is not happening. I could never imagine that there could be such emasculation, abdication of authority by senior members of IAS and IPS. We have a state security advisor, a retired DGP. What does he do? Is he there only to carry out political errands? To be super boss of DGP? We have another principal security, internal security. And what do we have in the state of West Bengal? Al-Qaeda is spreading its fangs. People being arrested. We have illegal bomb making, and bombs are freely flying in every event, being carried even in ambulances, being thrown from housetops, deaths taking place. So what are these people doing? Or are they really hatchery of manufacturing FIRs to implicate political opponents for political ends? I can tell you, friends, media need to know more about the state of West Bengal. Media need to know more about state of affairs, violation of human rights. I have been in the profession for decades. I am stunned. How can Constitution be a closed book? How can rule of law be just ignored? This governor has not seen a district magistrate during any of his visits. He has not seen a commissioner of police. He has not seen a SAP. What message are you giving? Protocol is going for a song. I do hope it's a state where people are the warmest in the country, We have a great culture. Destiny of the world has been guided by philosophers, thinkers from the state of West Bengal. Freedom movement was initiated there. I am sure people deserve democracy. I am committed to ensure free, fair, fearless polls. That is the minimum expectation the people have. Already I find it will be a surprise to you that a chief minister has sent sweets and messages directly to the SHO. I'm not against it. Motivation matters. A chief minister will be overseeing the ACR of videos. Can you give me another state in the country? Meaning thereby, you are governing only through police apparatus. And that is not permitted. Whatever may happen, a police station shall not be allowed to be a campaign office or stashing of cash, and police vehicles shall not be so allowed. This is the minimum I can do to vindicate the oath of office I have taken. I am not a stakeholder in politics. It is not my concern who gets elected, but it is my concern how election takes place. It is my concern how there is governance. If the governance is not in accordance with accountability and transparency according to rule of law, then the governor is worried. The chief minister is acting only through one prism, and that is, come what may, ignore constitution, ignore rule of law. There must be only that bureaucrats have to be political workers. I am afraid, friends, whatever little I know about constitution, about democracy, and whatever I have understood my oath, I can't countenance it. Thank you. I'll take only two questions.
One question, sir.
घटना को लेकर सर आपने बोला पाँव पसारना, किस तरीके से, ऐसी कोई जानकारी है क्या?
क्यों हालात इतने खराब हो गए?
I am really surprised that vigilant members of the media should be so asking. Number one. Number one. स्टेट के अंदर स्टेट सिक्योरिटी एडवाइजर है पुरकाश्ता जी, फॉर्मर डीजीपी है, सुपर बॉस है। फिर एक प्रिंसिपल सिक्योरिटी एडवाइजर इंटरनल सिक्योरिटी है। पता ही नहीं स्टेट को कि मुर्शिदाबाद के अंदर सुरंग बन गई। पता ही नहीं उनको कि 6 अरेस्ट हुए हैं। पता ही नहीं जो 3 है वो भी वहां की हैं। क्या ये चिंता का कारण नहीं है? मैं पश्चिम बंगाल का राज्यपाल हूं। कोई सप्ताह ऐसा नहीं जाता इलीगल बॉम्ब मेकिंग की फैक्ट्री का पता नहीं लगता। कोई वीक नहीं जाता जहां बम नहीं उड़ाए जाते हो। इंस्टेंसेस हैं, एम्बुलेंस में भी जाते हैं। कैन देयर बी मोर अलार्मिंग सिनेरियो देन दिस? Political death and murder of political workers. In last 1 week, 3 have taken place. Damdam jail mein, how many were killed? They don't tell the governor. Reports are 5, it could be more. आई एम श्योर आपको पहले मैंने कहा था कोविड की बॉडियों को कैसे ड्रैग किया था. लेट मी टेल यू विथ फोल्डेड हैंड्स, मीडिया हैज नो आइडिया व्हाट इज हैपनिंग इन वेस्ट बंगाल. To sensitize the people, I gave figures of crime against women on my tweet. Rapes and kidnappings. Have you seen the statement of Home Department? They say they are wrong, fabricated, not authentic. And who gave me those figures? 5 divisional commissioners in writing gave the figures to the governor, duly signed by 23 district magistrates, and sent not only to me through my additional chief secretary, to the chief secretary also. Where are we? If I am to tell you what the Home Department issued on this issue, I am sure you will never ever imagine this can happen to a governor. I am really, I gave figures given by 5 divisional commissioners, some of them of the rank of additional chief secretary, under their own signatures, enclosing reports of district magistrates signed by the district magistrates. And my purpose was to sensitize the people that crime against women must be controlled. I indicated, before we look to fires elsewhere, let us douse the fire in our own state. And look at what they say. Home Department, headed by additional chief secretary, now is chief secretary. Raj Bhavan dissemination of West Bengal statistics on rape and kidnappings is not based on any official report. And media is silent. What more official report you want? Signed by district magistrates, signed by divisional commissioners, then all information, allegations are baseless. They are emanating from your documents, through the governor. Talk to him, look him in the eyes. Ill-founded and misguiding, totally incongruous with authentic facts and figures. If this is not a police state or banana republic, what it is? I want media to take on the governor. Sir, where are the reports? I'll show them. And that's why I say, media already asked one.
Sir, people who had UPA charges against them are now being given shelter in the TMC. What is your take on it?
What did you say?
People who had UPA charges
यूएपीए चार्जेस अगेंस्ट दे हैव बीन विमल गुरुंग के बारे में पूछ रहा था वो कि जिसके खिलाफ यूएपीए चार्जेस थे वो एक पॉलिटिकल पार्टी को सपोर्ट करने की बात कर रहे हैं और आप एक महीने के लिए दार्जिलिंग जा रहे हैं, कहीं कोई राजनीतिक कारण तो नहीं है?
देखिए, why should you be acting in a manner to level allegation with the governor? Why don't you please think for a moment? Governor has to go to Rajbhavan, Darjeeling. I am really surprised.
एक महीने के लिए जा रहे हैं ना?
Anything wrong in that?
नहीं फर्स्ट टाइम गवर्नर इज गोइंग देयर और वन मंथ.
No. Historically, governor has been going there. I can't substitute ignorance. Historically, governor has been going there. And North Bengal is a very important part of the state of West Bengal. I have been to that area already thrice. Yes, to Rajbhavan I am going for the first time. And I will use that period productively to connect with the people, to know their issues, to know their culture. And I will appeal to media, good to be in Delhi, know the state of affairs in West Bengal. and tell me if there is any other part of the country where democracy is so capsizing, where lawlessness is more, where you can have a comparable anarchy. If you can look for an area where IAS and IPS people are acting as political servants.
Sir, even in the state of Maharashtra, sir, journalists are getting attacked.
Madam, I can reply to state of West Bengal.
सर,
This is the last. I take only one more question.
क्या आपने रिकमेंड
One second. Last question.
सर ये राष्ट्रपति शासन या इलेक्शन के टाइम पे जो सेंट्रल बाइनी डेप्यूट करने के बारे में कुछ बात हुआ राष्ट्रपति के साथ?
I have indicated to you what I discussed with the Honorable Chief Minister or Honorable Home Minister. I don't share. I have shared only those things with the Honorable Chief Minister declared in public domain. That's why I don't. What I have discussed with the Honorable Minister is between the Governor and the Home Minister.
तो सर आपको क्या लगता है कि
I don't. I do not believe in criticism. I believe in correctional approach. I would want the state of West Bengal to be on democratic turf. I would want political violence to go down. I would want bureaucrats not to be political workers. I would want them to believe in accountability. I want Santras and everyone to be in place. Syndicates to be shown the door. Those who are frequenting power corridors as big bosses without authority, non-state actors, I am sure those people will have to be